residents, what's going on today? My name is MJ. I'm a realtor out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, working with Berkshire Hathaway. Here on this channel, we tour all around the Las Vegas Valley looking to build or model homes just like Pulte today, and we also do real estate discussion from time to time. Today's model is going to be the Verde up here in Skye Canyon, built by Pulte Homes. It does feature 3,202 square feet, anywhere from 4 to 6 bedrooms, 2.5 to 4.5 bathrooms, and a 2 to 3 car garage, starting at $451,880. There were a ton of people walking through this model when I was out here. They really all enjoyed it, and many of them chose this model straight up. To get started with the features, there are a ton of them, and hopefully I don't miss any as we're going through the home. You're going to get the pavers included on the front porch here, as well as the driveway. The drip irrigation system and the landscaping will be completed in the front yard and ran to the backyard when you're ready to get that complete. Let's go ahead, head straight on inside. Really a truly warm entry here. I love the entryway in here. You have a tray ceiling right above you and the office right to the right. They have the open space here. You do have an option for a French door or a complete wall with a single door. You could also have this converted into another bedroom. This particular model is built out with 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, which we'll be going over through the home, as well as a 2-car garage rather than having that third bay in the garage. There's the first bathroom. It is a half bathroom. You're going to notice the hardware throughout this home is going to be in the dark color. That is an upgrade from the design studio. You will get brushed nickel throughout this home. To the left here is going to be the first bedroom. Again, this is where the tandem would be for the garage for the third bay. Oh, I forgot to mention the dimensions of the den, which were 12'3" by 14'5". And this bedroom here is going to be about 12 by 12. And then the bathroom there is going to be installed as well. They'd like to call this a studio because it does have that attached bathroom, but it is not a full-size master suite. Nice stonework on the counter here. And I really love how they did the flooring in here. The flooring is absolutely fantastic. How they have the black tile flush from the shower all the way out. Take a look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? There's a little closet here just to the right. Super convenient. Let's go ahead, head on out to the great room. There's your entry to the garage right there. This great room is absolutely fantastic. There's a lot to go over in here, so let's just get started straight away. The dimensions of the living room are going to be 15'10" by 17'9", and the dining room is going to be 11'1" by 17'9". You could extend that out to nearly 20 feet, as there is an option to have an extended back portion of your home. Also, there's a covered patio on this home. It is 12 foot by 12 foot, and you could actually do an extended covered patio with an extended balcony up above to go even further into your backyard. However, be careful with when you're doing that with the extension of the back of the house and the balcony. I don't think you would have much room for anything else in the backyard. In this living room here, this fireplace is absolutely stunning. I love the crystals that they put in there. It's absolutely gorgeous. Another thing I want you to notice too is the curtains they put on the wall here. They actually go all the way up to that second floor to the ceiling. Right here, they have really nice shelving installed. Really lovely touch to the home. You do have an option to have another fireplace there if you chose to. And coming straight over into the kitchen, they did a really lovely job in this kitchen, didn't they? I really love the double stacked uppers that they have there. They did put the second upper on top of the 36-inch cabinetry. Here's a close look at the granite. You have 2 options on the granite. You have the black or the white. Really nice sparkle in the black. It's really, truly lovely. And then the white on the opposite side definitely gives it a really nice contrast, doesn't it? The cabinetry will be Fairfield cabinetry. You have 36-inch uppers in a choice of 2 colors. And again, you have the option of the 2 granite with actually a 6-inch backsplash that's going to be included. Typically they do a 3 or a 4-inch backsplash on most builders. Really nice sized pantry in here. As far as your appliances, you're going to be getting stainless steel. You will have the cooktop with the hood, as well as the combo oven and microwave, and dishwasher is going to be included as well. The hardware in there, they did more of a gold look. You're going to be getting brushed nickel, however. If you want to upgrade to something a little different, by all means, you're more than welcome to. Lovely railing that they have there. Here's a quick look to the back patio. Dual sliders here, that's an upgrade as well. I'm sure if you wanted, you could do the engineered sliders that meet to a point on the corner. Really a nice sized lot here. Let's go ahead and head on upstairs. Alright guys, as soon as you come upstairs, the first thing you notice is going to be that overlook to downstairs. It's truly beautiful. I love it a lot. You do have an option for a game room instead of having it open to down below. Either way, you will still get this loft. This loft is 12'1" by 16'1". If you chose to do the game room, it would be the same size as the room down below, 15'10" by 17'9". Take a look at those curtains, guys. All the way from the second floor, all the way down. Can you imagine ironing that? Goodness gracious. Up here, they have really nice carpeting installed, had a really lovely padding underneath. In terms of the flooring, speaking of, you're going to get 18 by 18 inch doll ceramic tile in the entry, the kitchen, the bathroom, and the laundry room, and char carpeting elsewhere. If you wanted to design something different at the design studio, you're more than welcome to. There's the first bathroom here. Really nice full bathroom. Fiberglass surround here. Standard size vanity. This is an upgrade back here. Typically in the floor plan, this would be a storage area right where you are right now. And then this second bedroom would be as is. This bedroom is 11'0" by 13'5". Standard size closet in here. Another thing I want to mention about the flooring, you are going to get 3 1/4 inch baseboards, which is a really nice size. You're also going to get levered door hardware throughout the home. That is not a typical feature to have included either. In this home, they do have the standard knobs, but it is the darker color, which is an upgrade as well. There's a couple storage closets. There's going to be one here and one around the corner as well, which we'll take a look at here in a little bit. It's almost the exact same though. First, we're going to go into bedroom number 3. This bedroom is going to be a little smaller than the previous. It is 11 foot by 10'9". However, this one does have that walk-in closet. Now this bedroom here, you do have an option to have the bathrooms moved around a little bit. In this particular model, they have the Jack and Jill style bathroom, which splits bedroom 3 and bedroom 4. Normally, you're going to have more of a Jack and Jill style bathroom just outside of this bedroom to the left. Really nice job in this bathroom. Super simple design, but really, really effective. There's the other closet that I was speaking of, and the laundry room. And this final bedroom number 4 is 11'1" by 10'9". This neighborhood here by Pulte does feature 106 lots. They did open very recently. And at the time of this filming, the HOA is $250 a quarter, plus the local HOA, which is going to be a gated community with a little green area for about another $50 a month. At the time of this filming, they are offering 2.5% towards your closing costs with their preferred lender. And coming around the corner here to the laundry room. Gonna have a gas dryer hookup here. The upper cabinetry is optional. I would highly recommend installing that. This home is built out with the structured wiring. And here's that second closet as well. Next up, we're going to run straight into this owner's suite. I love how they have the French doors on this. I kind of wish they would have left them on there. That way we could show them off a little better, but that's pretty sweet. This owner's suite is 14'9" by 17'11". Really nice size master. You have an optional tray ceiling in here as well. Again, they're sticking with that simple design, but really, really effective. Having the planking on the wall there, very, very nice. And the bathroom here. And here is where I really feel the dark hardware shines. It looks really nice, doesn't it? How do you guys prefer it? Let me know in the comments below. The linen closet there to the left. Dual vanity there with the drop-in sinks. Nice soaking tub with the window there. Again, you're going to get cultured marble in all the bathrooms, as well as birch cabinetry. The faucets that are going to be included throughout this home are going to be Moen as well. Gosh, I really like that shower with that dark hardware. It looks really, really nice. And here's the walk-in closet. And that'll about wrap it up for today's tour. Alrighty guys, so what do you think of the Verde model? I really feel Pulte Homes did a fantastic job setting up this floor plan. I really love the big open space on the base floor and the design of the kitchen that is semi-open to the great room. I absolutely love it. What do you guys think though? Let me know in the comments below. If you truly did enjoy this model and you want to take a private tour with your family, feel free to give me a call, text me, or email me. I'm happy to help you out in any way I possibly can. If this is the first tour you've seen, I really appreciate you stopping by and sticking through it. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you do like this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss a single video when I upload on Fridays. If there's a specific builder or model home that you want to see toured around the Las Vegas Valley, make sure you let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to get out there and tour it for you, or you can come along with me and I'll feature you in my next video. But as always, I really appreciate you guys stopping by and touring with me today. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Get me out of here.